To be able to record or save the actions of a specific user or an operator, you can make use of Logbook in the operator client. Using Logbook, you will then be able to see all the actions which was processed by the operator. For example, if they deleted video, or if a camera was pulled up, or if video footage has been exported, all of this will be recorded and saved in the Logbook. To make use of Logbook, click on Tools, select Find in Logbook. Now, right at the top of Logbook, you will be able to select the date and time, which you can pull the records from. If you've got an idea when the incident happened. If you do not know when the incident happened, you can keep it as is, and it will start looking from the beginning of time until today and pull these records for you. You can, just as an example, click Start, select your date, which you would like the records to be available from, and click your end time as well. I will select today as the end time. You can, of course, change this as well. Next, we need to select the event that we need to pull these records from. So click on Add. Click on the plus sign to expand the events and alarms which is available. Click on the plus sign next to System Devices. Scroll a bit down, and you will see user actions. So any user action which has been done by the operator client will be recorded in this section. When you click on the plus sign to expand it again, you will see all the user actions which are available for recording purposes. Now, in this case, you will see, for example, you will be able to pull records like when did the operator client operator log in or log off, or very important, of course, when was recording deleted. You can then select what you would like to pull a record from. So in this case, if I want to be able to see when recording was deleted, I just select recording deleted, and you can select the rest of the actions which you would like to pull a report from or off. If you would like to pull a report of all of the user actions, just tick the box next to user actions. Click select, and then click search. This will pull the records of all the user actions which has occurred in that specific time which you have selected. Now, just to show you exactly or give you an idea of how this report works, very easy. This report will pull a report of all the operators that has been working on the operator software. So on the left hand side here, it will display the event name. It will display when this event happened. It will display the details of this event. It will then display the person who actioned this event. It will then display as well, once again, when the person logged in, who actioned the event. And then on the right hand side, it will also display for you in which group this person is. So let's go through perhaps two of these lines. First of all, the event name. This is what happened. The operator client login. This is when the person logged in. I can see this event happened on the 19th of February, 7:56. Details. This computer was used, this desktop 5NFGQ. This is the PC that's been used. This is the user who logged in. His name is Tommy, and he's part of the group called People Who Are Not Allowed to Delete Video. And this is the time that he's logged in. And as I've said, he's part of the group who's not allowed to delete video. I can then also scroll down and I can see that there's another operator that logged in on the 19th of Feb, 7:44. And what I can see is he logged in. His name is admin and is part of the admin group. Scroll down a bit and I can see a camera has been called up. That's another event that's happened. This person called up a camera. It's happened on the 18th of Feb, 7:56 the morning. There's no details because the details are quite simple. The camera was called up. Once again, it was admin who is part of the admin group, and he logged in that morning at 7:56:35 a.m. And once again, he's part of the admin group. So all of the reports are saved in here. This, of course, you can also go and save the results in order for you to export this perhaps to your security officer, and it will save it as a CSV file. Here you can just give it a name. I will call it test for testing purposes and click save. Once done, simply close the window.